Yes, I've been reported again. Now, I have to say the competition or the raffle, it's not really a competition, it's a raffle, is 100% off. It's not going to be ran. Not allowed to do it because someone has reported me. Now, anybody who wants their money back, just email me with the email that I sent you with your number on, and I can refund your money, no problem. If you want to leave it with me, if you like the videos or whatever and you decide to leave it, again, that is okay. But if you want your money back, just email me and I'll refund you. Don't be worried, it might take me a few days to kind of sort everything out, but you will get your money back. If there is an issue, just email me again. It's up to you what you want to do, whether you want to get it back or you want to leave it me. 100% entirely up to you. Right, so again, been reported again. I started this video, or I started this channel to help people. It was fun, great. You know, I want to do this raffle. It was going to help everyone. It's going to help me get a newer scan tool, and somebody out there was going to get a fantastic deal on a scan tool. But the hassle and everything, this is now going to end up costing me a fortune, and it's just an absolute nightmare for everybody. It's just not fun anymore. I just don't know what to say. There's people out there that just want to spoil it for everybody. I don't understand. It was just a raffle. It was just something to give to someone. It was just, you know, it was just, I wasn't going to make any money from it. You know, I had to pay the charges plus pay the shipping for the thing. All I was able to do would have been to get a newer version of that tool. I wasn't making hundreds or even thousands or anything. I wasn't making anything. It was just to be nice and to try and help someone out, and someone would have got a fantastic deal. It was only a tenner, wasn't going to break the bank in anyone's household really, and yeah, you didn't have to enter, it was entirely up to yourselves, but somebody has now spoilt that and just made it where this is just not fun anymore. Do you know, I did this, like I said, to help people out. I spend a lot of time on editing videos, on answering questions, on getting everything I possibly can for people, and what's the point? What's the point? I don't know what I'm going to do. I just don't really see any point anymore, to be honest with you. I just concentrate on other stuff I've got. I had some really good videos coming up on the restoration of a car, making roll cages, you know, all that sort of stuff, and I just don't know if I'm going to do it anymore. Appreciate everyone's support over the years. It's been fantastic, and yeah, that's it. So like I said, it's entirely up to you if you want your money back or not. Just send me an email and I will refund you your money, no problem at all. If, like I said, you like the videos and you just want to say thank you to me again, that's no problem. Just give me a couple of days to get everything sorted. If it's not sorted in a couple of days, just email me again and you'll get your money back, no problem at all. And yeah, that's it.